After several years of dealing with impression materials like putty and alginates, and even silicones with their high prices, along with the process of sending to the lab and sometimes having to redo impressions, and the uncertainty about the accuracy of the work delivered to the patient, it's time to get more familiar with the latest intraoral scanner in the dental market. Yes, the Panda scanner. But this time it's the wireless model, Panda Scanner Company, which is known for its updates and annual unveiling of new scanner models, and which began its work more than 10 years ago by producing Panda Petri, Panda P2, and Panda Smart Scanners, unveiled its newest scanner, Panda Wireless, in 2024 at the UAE ADEC exhibition. The important features of this scanner include the elimination of wires and the convenience of the dentist, lightweight, only 230 grams, which is considered the lightest wireless scanner currently, having a built-in battery and no need to replace the battery, 7-micron accuracy. The 22mm scanner and silent turbofan allow continuous scanning of 120 patients without the need for recharging, and it has separate sections for implant, orthodontic and aligner, prosthetic and restorative treatments. The Panda wireless scanner is used in more than 89 countries and is popular with dentists around the world. It can also be said that the Panda wireless scanner is the most affordable of all the wireless scanners on the market. And of course, you can purchase this scanner from Nutrident, the exclusive representative of Panda in Iran and the UAE, with financing options available for 10 to 15 months, along with a laptop or printer. The 24/7 support from the company, the possibility of in-person training and installation, and the option to test before purchase, along with the installation of necessary software, are special services offered by Nutrident for our valued customers. Travel comfortably into the digital world with Panda Wireless. Nutrident is the exclusive representative in Iran and the UAE.